Hi, I'm Chris, and today we're going to learn about storing different types of foods. So we got some food grade 5-gallon buckets. We've got our sealable lids here. These are reusable, and we got some hand warmers. These were pretty cheap off Amazon. So filling the rice in the bucket, leaving about an inch on top. Got a bunch of rice here. We're gonna fill it, leave about an inch on top on each one of these. And then I'm going to put a hand warmer in each one after I've shaken it up. And I'm going to tap the lid on the bucket and then mark it. And I'm gonna keep filling these up, and we'll get back when they're. So we got these buckets filled with rice now. 25-pound bag does not completely fill a bucket, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we put 5 25-pound bags and a 20-pound bag in 4 buckets. So, and we got a little bit left over bags that we'll just throw in the pantry and use. So next step, now that we got these 4 filled, let's put our hand warmers in. Also, I mentioned before we filled these up, we wiped them with a little bit of alcohol and a rag to sanitize them, lids and the buckets. So now we're going to take these and it's like hot hands. These are just like cheapo generic hot hands. Shake them up a little bit. Feel them start to get warm. Toss it in. And grab a lid and seal it. Now, I need my devil. And it's done. Now the way this works is these have a chemical mixture in them that creates an exothermic reaction with the atmosphere around it, particularly the oxygen in the air. So what happens is when you put this in here, it eats up all the oxygen in this bucket and binds it to the hand warmer, leaving nothing but inert gases. And you're not going to get any kind of moisture, bacterial growth in those inert gases. So that's how these work. Should store for about 30 years. I'm going to finish up, and that's all I got. Make sure you mark your buckets for what they are. This also works with beans and flour. You can see over there, those buckets are full of beans and flour. And I'm Chris, and that's all I got for today. Y'all have a good one.